BAYPAY's pay-as-you-go SaaS APIs with the 3 guarantees of the shortest time, the lowest cost, and the most effective reach. It sends all kinds of tickets to consumers with 1 click. Due to the use of blockchain, it is tamper-proof. It settles accounts for coupons and points with a single system. To administrate, you can manage usage rules, quantity, and denomination of tickets. It only takes 2 minutes to send the tickets. There's no need to worry about how to modify the system with the IT team, and no cost of development. For customers, you can receive coupons for cash, discounts, and merchandise, among others, in 1 minute. Merchants can write off the coupons in 10 seconds by scanning the code. BAYPAY. Efficiently and effectively replace printing trust and increase your business opportunities.